Struggling with Solana RPC errors? Let's fix them together. Solana RPC errors can be a real headache, but most are easy to fix. First, check your internet connection. If it's stable, verify you're using the correct RPC endpoint. Still stuck? Try switching to a different RPC provider like QuickNode. Incorrect request parameters can also trip you up. Double-check your JSON RPC request format and input data, like account addresses and signatures. And watch out for rate limits. Some providers cap requests. If the network itself is congested, transactions may delay or fail. Consider increasing your transaction fees or simply waiting for things to calm down. Retry failed transactions with higher fees. On your side, ensure your Solana client is up to date and review your code for bugs. Don't hesitate to seek help on forums like Reddit or Discord. For specific error codes, refer to Solana's official documentation. Common ones include transaction simulation failures and signature verification issues. Double-check parameters and try again. Remember, a reliable RPC provider and monitoring Solana's network status can save you lots of trouble.